The Sony XB20 is a great wireless speaker that's guaranteed to get the party started with extra bass sound and stunning lighting effects. Feel the power of extra bass. With our innovative extra bass technology, you and your friends can enjoy pounding beats and powerful low end, particularly when listening to electronic dance music. Feel the deep, intense power of extra bass wherever you are and give your club favourites the sound they deserve. With a big 12-hour battery life, you can keep the music going all night long and then some more. The voice guidance feature means you can easily find out how much battery life is left in the speaker, so you'll never be caught short. NFC and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to play music from your NFC-enabled smartphone or tablet. Simply tap it against the speaker to make an instant Bluetooth connection. Your music will start instantly, no other steps required, and with multi-device connection, you can connect up to 3 different Bluetooth devices. Plus, with a durable design and water resistance up to IPX level 5, you can take the party anywhere, and there's no need to worry if someone spills a drink. Create the perfect atmosphere with ambient line lighting. You can easily control the lighting effects by turning them on and off directly on the product. With the speaker add function, you can pair 2 XB20s together wirelessly for immersive stereo sound. And for even more impact, Wireless Party Chain lets you connect up to 10 additional Sony speakers wirelessly for synchronized sound and lighting via a Bluetooth connection. Make sure your next party is a night to remember with the stunning sound quality and atmospheric lighting effects of the Sony XB20 wireless speaker.